Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clean up that messy home screen by organizing your apps into folders like this, no matter what phone you're using. See, I'll be demonstrating this on my Galaxy S25 Ultra, but don't worry if you're using an iPhone or if you're using a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus. The steps are very similar and I'll point out where they differ. So now to create a folder, you start by tapping and holding the app you want to group. Like usually, there are ways I can, like mine, I have grouped them like social, photos and videos, browser and internet, Google, shopping, like that. So to create okay, so to do that, you can start by tapping and holding any app you want to group. Once you lift, you drag it on top of another app. For example, this is in no particular order. I'll just drag this, and on top of that, now I've created the folder. Okay, for Tecno, Infinix and OnePlus, the same thing, drag and drop method applies. Okay, but on iPhone, you will see a folder pop open automatically. Just drop the app in. That's for iPhones. Okay, now to rename the folder, you tap the folder name, tap the folder, right, you created, right, open it, and you will see a default name. This is a default name, right? Tap the name and rename it. So I can rename this anything just to show, right? Or rename productivity, whatever the group, like that. And you can move the folder around like any app. I can drag it here, I can drag it and move it to another home screen, all right, to a different location or screen. Okay, so this now you can equally customize this, right? So this is where it gets interesting. Some phones let you change the folder background or color. So if your phone allows it, on some Galaxy devices, if your phone supports the color palette feature, you will see a little color icon when editing the folder. But on this my S25 Ultra, the feature might not appear. I think it's because of the theme, depending on the theme or the One UI version. Like here, this is a theme that I installed, so it's not letting me customize that. So but on iPhones, folder background is not customizable, but the clean animation and layout still make it visually appealing. For Tecno and Infinix phones with HIOS, it may allow like basic folder and color tweaks depending on your model. So why does this matter? It saves time, it reduces clutter, it keeps related apps together. It looks more professional. Look at this, right? It's perfect if you're someone who wants faster access to apps or simply wants a clean home screen. Tell me, don't this look good? Like how it's looking? So if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, share with someone whose home screen is a hot mess, and don't forget to hit the subscribe or follow for more tips to make your phone smarter and your life easier. So let me know in the comments, what folder categories do you use? Work, games, photos, etc.